Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x plus 3 is equal to x belongs to real number. Okay, or squaring on both sides, we can write here x plus 3 whole square is equal to x square. Or now we know an algebraic formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So apply this formula. Here we can write x square plus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 square is equal to x square, or x square plus 2 times 3 is 6 times x is 6x plus we know 3 square, that means 9 is equal to x square, or x square plus 6x plus 9. Now taking this x square to left side, we will get negative x square is equal to 0. Or now this x square cancel out this x square, this x square cancel out this x square, so here we will get 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Or now taking this positive 9 to right side, we will get 6x is equal to negative 9. Or now divided both sides by 3, we can write here 6x over 3 is equal to negative 9 over 3. Or here we will get 2x is equal to negative 3. Now again divided both sides by 2, we will get x is equal to negative 3 by 2. So the value of x is equal to negative 3 by 2. Now check. Our questions is x plus 3 is equal to x. Here x is equal to negative 3 by 2. So we can write here negative 3 by 2 plus 3 is it equal to negative 3 by 2. Or now multiplying both sides by 2, we can write here 2 times negative 3 by 2 plus 2 times 3 is it equal to negative 3 by 2 times 2. Or now this 2 cancel this 2, so here we will get negative 3 plus 2 times 3 is 6, it is equal to negative 3. So here we will get 3 is equal to negative 3, but 3 positive 3 not equal to negative 3, so there are no real solutions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.